Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili oil at home. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to preparing them for maximum flavor. Next, we'll carefully heat our oil to the perfect temperature, ensuring a beautiful infusion. Finally, we'll combine everything to create a delicious, aromatic chili oil that you'll absolutely love. It's a straightforward process that yields incredible results, perfect for elevating any dish. For our chili oil, you'll need about 1 cup of a neutral oil, such as canola or grapeseed, which provides a clean base. We'll also use 3 tablespoons of good quality red chili flakes for that essential heat. Don't forget to mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic and thinly slice 1 small shallot. These aromatics are key. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns ready to add that unique, delightful numbing sensation. These simple components create complex flavors. Now for the magic. Carefully heat your neutral oil to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for extracting maximum flavor without burning your spices. Once hot, slowly pour the oil over your prepared chili flakes, garlic, shallots, and Sichuan peppercorns in a heat-proof bowl. Stir everything gently to ensure all the solids are fully submerged and infused. Then, simply let the mixture cool completely. This allows the flavors to deepen beautifully. Once your chili oil has cooled, transfer it to a clean, airtight jar. For the best quality and freshness, store it in a cool, dark pantry, where it will keep wonderfully for up to 3 months. Always remember to use a clean, dry spoon each time you dip into your delicious creation. This helps prevent any contamination and keeps it fresh longer. Enjoy your homemade chili oil drizzled over noodles, dumplings, eggs, or even roasted vegetables for an incredible flavor boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.